Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to easily create an Android app connected to your Arduino using Bluetooth connection and control LEDs. First you need to have an idea that how many LEDs you want to control. This time I am going to control 6 LEDs. I have made a circuit board, you can also easily make it. For the app I have used an online tool called App Inventor. Let's create it. Open App Inventor by signing in with your Google account. Create a new account if needed. Click on Start New Project and give a name to your app. Here I am giving the name as LED Control. Click on it to open. This will be our screen. On the left side you can add components, on the right side you can customize its properties. Like here I will change title name to LED and background color to black. Now add a button for your LED, make it bold and font size 20, width to fill parent, text alignment to center. Name it 1 and change its color according to your LED color. This will make it more attractive. Do this with all of your buttons. Insert horizontal arrangement to the top. Make its width to fill parent, height to 60 pixels and background color to black. Add a label and change its font size to 30. Text to LED controller, text alignment to center. Add list picker, make its background to black with the size 50 pixel height and 60 pixel width. And add a PNG image. Here I am using Bluetooth logo in PNG format. Don't forget to blank its text. Also make label text color to white. Change the label font style that suits your design. Designing part is done. Now it's time for the block part. Click to the block button from here. On the left you will see the entire block we have. First we need to code for the Bluetooth connection. We select our list picker block and drag before picking block in our viewer. Go to the list picker and select set picker element. For communication add Bluetooth client. This will be a non-visual component. Now we shall again go to the Bluetooth block and select block client address and names. Whenever the list is open, we see our linked clients. We again go to the list picker and select after picking block and drag it. Now go to set list picker selection 2. We go to the Bluetooth block and drag the call Bluetooth client connect address block. Finally we go to the list picker again and drag the list picker selection block. Our connection block is ready. We will have to set what each button will do. I want to turn on and off my LEDs. When the button is clicked, the LED will on, and when it's clicked again, the LED will off. Go to button 1 and drag the block when click do in our viewer. Now we go to Bluetooth client and drag the send text block. Finally, we add a text block. I want to send 1 every time the button is pressed, so I add number 1 in the text block. I will receive this 1 in my Arduino loop, and I will have to make a small function to turn on and off the LEDs. We do the same operation with all of the LEDs. We can just copy these blocks using Ctrl C and Ctrl V and change the button number. And also change the text to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 so that different text is sent over Arduino. The app is ready to export. Build it and install to your phone. While installing, your phone will ask for the unknown app permission. Just enable them for now. Let's jump to the Arduino part. Let's download this schematic from the link in below. First we connect the Bluetooth module 5V and ground to the Arduino. Then we connect RX pin from the Bluetooth to the TX pin of Arduino and the TX pin to the RX pin as well. Connect the LEDs in this way. Now it is time for the coding part. Initiate your LED pins. Define the output state of each LED. In the setup loop, we start the serial communication and define our pin as an output. The serial received value is saved in a receive variable. Now the LEDs. When LED 1 state is 0 and receive is 1, then LED 1 is high, means LED is on. And when LED 1 state is 1 and receive state is 1, the LED will low, means LED is off. Do this for all of the LEDs. Upload the code to the Arduino. Connect Bluetooth to HC05. Now open our LED app and click on the Bluetooth icon and again tap to the HC05. Now you can control your LEDs. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and I will see you next time.